everybody? This is a Lamley Showcase. I have another store-exclusive set to show you from Hot Wheels. It's hard to keep up with these store-exclusive sets. This is the Mopar set that showed up at Walmart within the last week or so. Then, of course, there's the new Fast and Furious set, also exclusive to Walmart, at least here in the United States. And I have another one. I think there's a Disney set. And speaking of Disney, the next Halloween set is out at Kroger Stores. Kroger, meaning Kroger in some areas, Smith's in others, Fry's in others, Ralph's in others, City Market in others, and there's probably a whole lot of other names. Smith's here in City Market where I go. But we have the new Halloween set, and it is Disney themed this year. You're going to see a lot of Disney stuff from Hot Wheels with that license. And it is a special 25-year anniversary Nightmare Before Christmas set. Now, you know the Haunted Mansion in Disneyland? I went there, I used to love that as a kid, and then I went there once when took my girls there, and I was like all excited to show it to them, and it was all of a sudden a Nightmare Before Christmas theme. And I was a little bit bummed out, but I guess it's a seasonal thing, and I guess I have that same feeling here. I would have just loved to see Hot Wheels do a Halloween set, but Disney is Disney, and if you can theme it like this and co-promote and get people all excited, I guess that's what's going to happen. So we're going to walk through this Disney set. My friend Mike was able to find this at Smith's and brought this set for me, and let's walk through it. All right. Let's look at the back. Here are all the cars. I've done enough introducing. We'll walk through all of these. Most of these are unlicensed Hot Wheels originals. This is the Street Creeper with Jack Wellington. Skellington. I'll get it right. I remember this movie. It was pretty good. Tim Burton, right? Yep. So there is the Street Creeper. This will be the one that I think most people will want, at least from a collector standpoint. It is the Sally car, and it is the custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. So this is the one licensed as far as I can tell. Maybe we'll get to another one. She's up there on top. But VWs are always popular, so I'm assuming that will be a popular one. Oogie Boogie. This is the super van, kind of licensed, but not really, right? Kind of based on, what is it, a Dodge van or a Chevy van? I don't remember. That one's pretty cool. You can probably tell these aren't the models that are going to get me that excited. The best Halloween set ever, this is the Midnight Auto. Dr. Finkelstein. Remember that Halloween set they did? Maybe it's been about 5 or 6 years, and they put the Ghostbusters car in there with a kind of a Ghostbusters theme, and then they did the TV Batmobile in purple. That was a great set. But they've kind of gone more to these originals. This is the Quick and Sick. Who's the character? Zero. So they got into more of these originals. I think that's probably easier. You don't have to get license approval and things. But I remember there was a Christmas set once that had a Datsun 240Z and a Cadillac and a Lamborghini. I liked all of those, but they've really kind of moved away from it. I guess I can't complain too much because we see those castings show up so many other places. Mayor, what is this? Cool one. The cool one. So I guess, I can't complain too much. But, yeah. Cockney cab. This used to be metal, now it's plastic. Lock, shock, and barrel. I don't remember the details of the movie. This one's kind of cool. So a little Christmas theme to end, because Nightmare Before Christmas is obviously Nightmare Before Christmas. Sandy Claus. It's the power panel. So there's your Christmas one. Looked like a nice guy. Was he a villain? I don't remember. You guys can tell me. But there you go. There is the 8-car set. We'll just finish off by ripping these open real quick. I'll do it super, super quick, and then you can look at them on the turntable. And that will be it. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Happy Halloween!